Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to get started with Genmo AI, a text-to-video AI generator, a beginner's guide. This amazing AI tool has a whole range of creative capabilities beyond just making videos. It can bring animations to life, generate AI-powered images, and even craft 3D creations. I am excited to guide you through all these features, so be sure to stay tuned until the end of this tutorial. Additionally, I will walk you through the process of creating an account on this platform, ensuring you have the full access to its creative potential. So, get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. But before we dive in, if you are keen on staying updated about the latest AI tools and how to utilize them effectively, this channel is the perfect resource for you. We regularly provide updates and instructional videos on harnessing AI tools in today's world. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Your support enables us to continue creating content like this. Now, let us get started. First, head over to Genmo.ai. I wanted to see if you can use this platform without creating an account. So, let us try a video prompt by clicking Submit. But, as it turns out, you do need to create an account to use this platform efficiently. It is a straightforward process where you can choose to continue with your Google account or Discord account. I am going with my Google account. Just like that, we've got our account set up on Genmo.ai. Now, let us click Submit on the prompt we tried earlier. What is also fantastic about this text-to-image AI generator is that you can edit various settings such as the aspect ratio and motion. But do keep in mind that some of these settings may require an upgrade. You will find that they offer suggestions too, like horror themes or graffiti art. So, if you are not sure what to create, you can make use of these helpful prompts. While we wait for it to finish rendering, I want to highlight that this platform isn't just for creating AI videos. You can also use it for animations, images, and even 3D assets. They even have a Genmo chat. Our video is ready now. To view it, click on View, and from there, you can choose to either share it or download it. It is important to note that if you plan on using these videos for commercial purposes, you will need to upgrade to Genmo Turbo. Okay, let us click download to get the video. The video isn't exactly what I expected, but it is still pretty impressive. Maybe the way I prompted it wasn't specific enough. However, the quality is good. As a free user, you will notice a watermark at the bottom of the video. Now, let us give animation a try. It is another cool feature that Genmo offers. So, we will create some prompts, choose our desired aspect ratio, and then click on Generate Image. With animation, we can get pretty specific. We can color over backgrounds and objects to animate them. It is like having control over what parts of the image come to life. If you scroll down, you will see that you can customize various options like the length of the video, exploration, dynamism, smoothness, and more. You can even add a caption. For this one, I am going with "It is raining." Now, we can use the brush and style it the way we want for the animation. I am thinking of animating the horse, the man, and the waters. So, I will brush over those parts. Then, we click on Make Video. As we eagerly anticipate the final transformation of our animated image, it is important to note that Genmo free usage is subject to certain credit limits. These credits are essentially your currency for creating content, and you can keep a close eye on your credit balance conveniently located in the corner. This ensures you have a clear picture of your resource utilization while working on your creative projects. Additionally, I'd like to take a moment to share another example of what Genmo can do. Earlier, I tried crafting a text-to-video using a prompt related to an author writing. Here is the result. It is looking good, though there is always room for enhancement and fine-tuning. Considering that this is a free tool, I am genuinely impressed with the quality it can produce. It showcases the potential for creating engaging and visually appealing content without any cost barriers, which is a significant advantage for content creators. As our 3D assets are still in the process of being generated, let us take a closer look at the animated video we crafted earlier. Upon examination, it appears quite decent. The dynamic elements within the video are executing their movements as intended. It is important to note that as someone who is still acquainting themselves with the intricacies of this tool, I must confess that I am not yet an expert. Therefore, my demonstration might not entirely unveil the full spectrum of its potential. However, from the viewpoint of a beginner, the results are undeniably impressive. The user-friendly interface and the level of creative control it offers make it an enticing prospect for those just starting out in this realm. With more practice and exploration, one could harness this tool as a significant asset in their creative toolkit. Now, let us explore Genmo's chatbot a bit. It even has a feature where it can describe the images you upload. So, let's give it a try. Click on Image, upload the image you want to the chatbot to describe, and you can also animate the image here. This is actually fantastic. Now, let us wait for the animation to complete. I believe the 3D horse model is now ready. So, let us revisit it. And I must say, the results are truly astonishing. Wouldn't you agree? While it is true that the rendering process can be somewhat time-consuming, the quality of the final 3D asset justifies the wait. So, for anyone interested in creating 3D assets, Genmo undoubtedly has the capability to deliver impressive results. Now, let us circle back to our animated image. The outcome is quite satisfactory. One feature that stands out is the ability to seamlessly use the tools within the chatbot interface, and the progress of your animations is conveniently displayed on the left side. This user-friendly approach certainly makes the creative process smoother. Furthermore, Genmo caters to different preferences by offering both dark and light mode options. As for me, I lean towards the dark mode, which I find easier on the eyes. For those who wish to enhance their Genmo experience, there is the option to upgrade to the Turbo mode for a reasonable monthly fee of $10. This upgrade brings substantial benefits, including a remarkable 10 times boost in content generation speed and the elimination of watermarks from your creative outputs. This can be a valuable investment for those looking to take full advantage of Genmo's capabilities. I am really curious to know what you think. Are you interested in giving this platform a try? Do you find the tools and features appealing? If you are considering using it, which tool are you most excited about? Your thoughts and opinions mean a lot. So please, don't hesitate to share your feedback in the comments. I am genuinely looking forward to reading and discussing your perspectives. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.